In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the Jira backlog in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a project manager, a developer, or someone new to using Jira, understanding how to efficiently access your backlog is a vital skill for tracking and managing your tasks effectively. So let's dive in and simplify this process for you. First things first, it's important to get comfortable with where to begin. If you're already familiar with the interface, this will be a smooth ride, but don't worry if you're not, I'll guide you through it step by step. So let's get started. When you first log into Jira, you'll find yourself on the Your Work page. This section is like your personal dashboard, offering a quick overview of all the projects and tasks you're currently engaged with. To navigate your way to this page, simply click on the Your Work link. Just think of it as your command center, designed to give you a snapshot of everything you're working on across different projects. Here you can quickly switch between various projects and manage your priorities efficiently. It's a great starting point when you want to stay on top of your tasks. Once you're on the Your Work page, the next step is to select the project you want to view. This is crucial because each project in Jira can have its own board, backlog, and set of tasks. To do this, simply look through the list or search for your specific project using the search bar. Clicking on a project will take you directly to its overview page. Now, this view gives you the lay of the land, showing you how work is distributed across different stages of your project. It helps to keep in mind that every project has its unique needs and workflows, so selecting the right one is key to accessing the correct backlog. Now here comes the exciting part, accessing the backlog. So, once you've selected your project, you'll need to navigate to the backlog. Locate the sidebar on the left of your screen. This is where all your navigation options reside. You'll see a tab labeled Backlog among these options. Go ahead and click on that. In clicking the Backlog tab, you've essentially opened a digital to-do list that holds all your prioritized, unprioritized, and upcoming tasks. It's like looking at the core of your project, a list of tasks broken down and waiting in line to be tackled by you or your team. The backlog view is intuitive and offers tools to help you categorize and prioritize tasks efficiently. It's your go-to space for planning your project sprints or simply managing your workload. Before we wrap things up, let's touch on a couple of helpful tips to make the most of your backlog view. First, make sure you're using the filters available to focus on what's important at any given time. This can be crucial when managing large numbers of tasks or when you're pressed for time. And if you're working within a team, be sure to update the status of tasks regularly. This makes sure that everyone on the team has the most up-to-date information and can help avoid redundant work or confusion. Another pro tip is to regularly review your backlog and keep it clean. Don't hesitate to archive tasks that are no longer relevant or actionable. This will help maintain clarity and efficiency, ensuring that your backlog truly represents the work that needs to be done. By following these steps, you should now understand how to navigate Jira to efficiently view your project's backlog. Remember that this skill set is not just about accessing information, it's about managing your time and your projects effectively. As you enhance your Jira know-how over time, you'll find that managing projects becomes smoother, more organized, and definitely more productive. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide to viewing the Jira backlog. I hope you found it helpful and that it makes your project management tasks easier. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips, helping you master your tools and projects. Happy project managing, and see you next time.